They are so beautiful and we're so close. It's as if I can just touch them like this. No, we can see him. Who's that? Tyler. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Say morning to the Faves, baby girl. Okay, she said morning, y'all. But say morning.
Morning.
Ty said morning, Faves. Morning. Where are we going? Zoo. To the zoo. It's another day on vacation and we are heading to the zoo with the family. I have been dreaming of this day of taking Tyler to the zoo. He's been asking to go to the zoo since forever, but because where we live we don't have any zoo in the area. When I say we don't have any zoo, I mean we don't have a big zoo with big animals. We have a small park that he goes to called Park Phoenix, where he sees small animals and kangaroo and stuff like that, but not big like elephants and giraffes and stuff like that. So where we were staying, there's like little less than an hour drive. There's a zoo. Yeah. There's turtle at Park Phoenix too. Yeah. Little less than an hour drive. So I insisted on going. Yeah, though the weather doesn't look so good today in terms of it's not sunny out, it's a very cloudy, bleaky looking. But I pray maybe it does because it's been dropping but not raining really. I pray that we'll have a good day even though it's cloudy. But we're just a few minutes out and we're almost there, and Tyler is pretty excited to go see all the animals, right Ty? Yeah. Yes, and so is Mama is as excited as you are. To see the excitement on your face, to see how happy you're gonna be. So we're heading to the zoo, so it's a zoo kind of day. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, whatever it is that we're about to show you guys. We love you guys. And yeah, we'll see you guys as soon as we get there. Have a good day. Here, go see the first animal down there. But if you take the train, then you're gonna miss the animals.
Yeah, we don't need
along the way. No, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Damn, this is what I don't like. No, yeah. Ty, look at those. They're big. Uh-oh. Oh, Tyler, look at the ducks right there sleeping. You see?
I told you that they will start. I told you they will start. Mama, I told you they will start.
Yes, baby's duck. You're right. You see the parrot?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Yeah.
Cheetah.
Yeah, see them. Oh my God. Come on. It's cheetah. There they are. They're right there.
Ils sont bêtes à nous regarder comme ça.
Waterfall. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I think the flies were just temporary. Maybe not. It's a type of monkey, I think. Look, Ty is coming. What is this one behind you?
Goat.
I could steal one of these goats right now. I'm not a thief, but a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do, right? Look at them, and them stink too, so you know, there's some good ram goat. Jesus.
Cuckoo,
all
then.
parts of you, from head to everywhere we want. Babe, see one of these you want honey to cook. No joke. A good ram goat. Zoo is nice. Tyler is having fun. Look at him. We're seeing the little animals now. We're gonna approach the big ones soon. I'm waiting. I'm here. Come. Alright. Let's go see what we're gonna have next. Oh, some bigger goats. Oh God. I seen for me to walk and see these goats and can't get them to eat. It's not fair. No, it's not fair at all. Oh jeez, look how they're big. Mercy. No sir, I don't want these ones. These ones can stay. Look at their horns. Ty, you see them?
Just the side is too thin.
Non, on va pas les toucher, ils sont trop loin.
Wow.
Alright, let's go. See another one. Tell me what you see. What you see? What you see? Let's go closer. How do we get close? That way. Come, Ty, come. Let's get close to him. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. Oh my gosh, Ty. Wow. Tyler, look. Oh my gosh. How cool. Oh my gosh.
Non, pas de grimace sur les photos, s'il te plaît.
They are so beautiful. And we're so close. It's as if I can just touch them like this. How cool. Giraffe is one of the most beautiful animals I've ever seen. They're just so special. My gosh, look at those long neck. Man, look at this one just here beside me. Look at him go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. They're normally this big? Oh my god. Is the biggest thing I've ever seen in life. Oh my gosh, Ty. Ty, you see him? Is he playing with the rock? Oh man. No, we can see him. He look like an old man. Look at him. He look miserable. Like he's depressed. He looks miserable.
Look, there's another one here.
There's another one here.
stand?
Yeah.
Are they stand?
I can
Stand. One here, one there. Another
Oh, there's another one over there, black one. Damn, these monkey look like some old miserable old man. They look miserable, but cute. So we're heading to the rhinoceros right now, and Tyler is excited to see them. He loves rhino. so we're heading. Come, Ty, we're going to see them. They're down here. We're having so much fun. One woman just saw me and said, "You're very good to be doing this that pregnant." Yes, baby. You see him? There goes the rhinos. They're right there. 3 of them. Look, Ty. Come closer, Ty. Look. Rhinos.
maman d'abord.
You see him?
Yeah.
You guys are taking lunch break. Having hot dog and fries. Tyler is having nuggets and fries and fruit juice. Okay, have yours first, and baby's having similar to mine. Our lunch was good. It was too much for me to eat off, but we managed. We had lunch, and Tyler is on the slide with babe having fun. There's a little park in the zoo, so he's having fun. Let me see if you guys can see him. Here he is right there, and baby's right here. He's going to ever slide.
Allez.
Continue. Go around. Papa got you.
Allez, Lilou. Moi, je l'ai refait au Maïma. J'ai fait comme ça, j'ai fait comme ça.
Hold on to it. Right. 2 hands up there. 2 hands. Right. Right. Look where you're going, Pumpkin. Go.
Nicolas, ça c'est facile. Tu vas là ou là?
Oh, you're almost there.
Careful, that's moving a lot.
Whoa. Not sure about this one. Too short. Right. Let Papa be the right. Whoa. Whoa. Good time.
What is that? Is white
We're
and
looking at the zebra.
is white and black or black and white?
Whichever. It's the same thing.
You say it's white with black things.
White with black stripe. No.
It's black with white.
No,
stripe.
white with black stripe.
It's black
There
with
he's
white
coming. Oh, hey, Zebra. Look at him. So cool, right there? There's another one there. All right. Oh my gosh, Di. Oh my gosh.
There's one on the right.
Oh my gosh. How crazy is that? Oh Jesus. It's so big. Amazing. You see him?
C'est comme un rhino.
Yeah, I see.
Tu vois, Lilou? Oui. Oh, it's coming! It's coming!
That's amazing. It's coming.
Au niveau de leur tête, pour les hiboux, ce ne sont pas leurs oreilles, elles ne sont là qu'à titre ornemental. Alors parmi vous, au niveau de la perche, c'est un hibou grand européen, mais c'est une jeune de l'année dernière. De ce fait, elle est encore en cours d'arrêtage. Étant donné qu'ils vivent la nuit, ils étaient soi-disant source de sorcellerie. Heureusement, toutes ces pratiques ont été révolues dès à présent. Ceci ne fabrique pas un nid, mais directement une cuvette au sol.
Look behind you. Look.
Alors ça peut paraître contre nature de faire évoluer ces rapaces nocturnes de nuit, mais il n'en est rien. Pas toujours plutôt. Ils possèdent un cou dégarni de plumes. C'est pour éviter de fixer les morceaux de viande lorsqu'ils se nourrissent. Malgré leur grande taille, ces vautours sont incapables de tuer. Ils ne possèdent pas de force au niveau de leurs pattes. Ils ne sont même pas capables de retenir une souris avec celle-ci. Ils possèdent des doigts longs et peu recourbés.
They are huge.
Combien il y en a de bisons?
Un, peut-être.
And that's the end of today's vacation adventure. Ty, did you have fun? Yeah? Alright, it's time to go home. Right? Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Attends, papa.
Which animal was your favorite of the day?
Hold on, Tyler.
I'm 12. I'm gonna check.
You're gonna check on the board? Alright, go check and tell me.
We're gonna take this because this way is for the chain. So we're gonna take this way where the people walk.
Which one was your favorite of the day? Zebra was your favorite of the day? Cool. Good job.